You may have noticed a new option to manage your channel. What you do is you go down to Settings, click on Settings, and you will see below General, Channel, Upload Defaults, Permissions. However, if you only see 4 options under your settings, it hasn't rolled out to you quite yet. Click on Permissions and you'll see who has access. Of course, I have access to my channel. If I wish to invite somebody, all I do is click on Invite. I type in their email and then select the type of access they can have. A manager can do just about everything you can do. An editor can edit everything. However, they can't add others or delete videos or, even more important, your channel. So in most cases, I would recommend you select editor unless it's somebody who really does own the channel. If you would like to allow somebody to see all of your information but not make any adjustments on your channel, select viewer. If you would like a viewer to see everything except for your revenue, well, select viewer limited. It's important to note that you are responsible for the people who have access to your channel. That person will receive an invitation and then click Save. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for future Google marketing and product updates. And of course, if you're an entrepreneur, head on over to my other channel, Rosh Sillars.